Hello everyone, Windows 11 23H2 is the latest features update for Windows 11 and it's available now. In this video, we will show you how to upgrade to Windows 11 23H2. So let's get started. So first we need to check the currently installed build by pressing Windows plus R on keyboard to open the Run dialog box, and here you have to type WinVer and press on OK. And here you will see my current Windows version 11 showing 22H2. So for update, first you need to click on Start. Then you have to click on Setting. In the left hand side you will find Windows Update. Click on this. And now you'll show checking for update is going on, and now you have to turn on the get the latest update as soon as they are available toggle switch. Okay, and here you will see Windows 11 version 23H2 is available. So now here you need to click on download and install. Now downloading are going on. It will take few minutes to complete. After that it will install the latest versions. Once the download is complete, you will be prompted to restart your computer to complete the installation. After restart, we need to check our updated version through WinVer. And here you can see my device will be running Windows 11 version 23H2. And there you have it. So your device is now running the latest and greatest Windows 11 23H2 update. If you have any questions or suggestion, leave a comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching.